Here is how to get two amazing effects with just one effect in DaVinci Resolve. And the first one is how to do a replicate effect, and the second one is how you can get rounded corners in DaVinci Resolve with just one tool. So what you want to do is come to your DaVinci Resolve, click on the right clips that you want to work on, and under your open effect, check for your transform, drag and drop, and then come to your effect panel, and the first one we'll be doing now is the replicate effect. Come to your advanced option. Under the settings, we have so many options, and what we'll be going for here is wrap around. This allows us to have multiple images like a reflect in our image. You are going to have a replicate effect in your picture. So what you just want to do now is to zoom out. Once you zoom out, you can see how many images I'm having on my screen now, and I am just going to reset this option, my zoom option, and I will duplicate this in 3 places, and I will reduce each by maybe 1 frame or 2 frames. So you would have seen it in musical video. So this one is just going to have the original video, and here I am going to check in this option, and I'll come to the okay, it's on wrap around already, and I'll zoom this out. This could just be on maybe how many is that? We are having 9 here, and then the next frame is just going to have as much as you want, and you can still even adjust it to whether right or left. You can keyframe it, and whichever way you want it. So now I will scroll through now. This is the original clip. It could be in music video whereby you just want to have 3 frames that will have this effect. That is the first option in DaVinci Resolve. It will save you a whole lot of time instead of you duplicating, trying to arrange them to fit into whatever you want it to do. And the next option that I know that you guys have been waiting for is going to be done with this same effect called transform. If you want this rounded corner, especially if you have always been seeing it in videos, for reels, for whatever videos you want to use it for, maybe it's short content, you can always just come to your transform, drag and drop the effect tool on it, and then from your effect panel control, you're going to come to image adjustment. This time around, you're going to adjust your edge rounding, so you can see how far it is coming once I am doing that. So I will leave this just on 1. I think this is fine, and then come to your zoom again, just like we did for the first clip. You can then zoom out. This will save you a whole lot of time compared to if you want to do it in Adobe Premiere Pro. This has saved my time, and again, it is very, very easy just to do in DaVinci Resolve. And for this effect, I will duplicate this last effect one more time and show you another effect that we could still do with it. This is it, and when I come to my advanced option, I will change this to reflect. This is going to allow your image to reflect whatever image that is up there, and this is this is really beautiful. And this might just be what you want to do, or it could come from the original file, which is the first file, to the second, to the third, and then finally we will be having the last clip. So let me see if we can play this through from the first clip, and then to the one that has 9 frames, the one that has multiple, and then the one that is now reflecting the image. This might just be what you want for your image. So thank you. And the other one that we did is, if you want this rounded corners in DaVinci Resolve, that is just how to get it. Thank you so much. I hope you have gotten value for your time. So if you do, ensure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, and remember to hit the notification bell for you to be able to get my future post notifications. And if you want to know how to color grade fully, then check out this video showing on the screen right away.